But as far as creative satisfaction, yes, I would say that I have been lucky in getting such a diverse variety of roles in the last 2 years. So super happy about that. Keep it coming.
Yeah, absolutely. Coming to Jishu, I love it जब एक interview में I can break into a third language, which I won't. But बांग्ला কথা বলতে পারি. I think they're 2.5 Bengalis. I'm half a Bong,
Oh, I'm full bong.
full Bong.
So we've come to two because even I'm half Bong.
And I have lived 6 years in Chittaranjan Park.
तो आपको हमने include ले.
Are
तो आप
Again, 2.5.
Yeah.
Correct.
तो दे ही दो यार.
ये quarter है.
नहीं CR Park बोला. CR Park
Delhi,
but Provashi Bangalis will be like totally,
Provashi.
yeah, totally with him. I want you to tell me, do you judge the characters that you play?
No, never.
Because a lot of times they have shades of grey. And even in this one, it's tough to totally dismiss him as a terrible person, and then you sometimes want to, like, what do you do?
I don't believe that Rajiv is a terrible person. I believe that he's
But
human.
you know na why you were cast? Because you have the same surname.
That was a major reason actually. So coming back to your question.
Not because you're a good actor or because you're good looking or anything else. It's just surname.
No, but yeah, at the end of the day, if I've agreed to be a part of, so now people are, if you need a Bengali actor, they will probably
Yeah.
get a, if you need a Gujarati actor, probably an actor from Gujarat
Yeah.
will come and
Yeah.
play. Probably he's speaking Hindi.
Yeah, lovely. And sometimes you get the right surname.
As she said, I got the role because of my surname.
Now, a very quick, sustained or dismissed. I'm going to say a few lines. Tell me you agree or dismissed. An actor's Instagram matters more than their acting today.
Dismiss.
Dismissed.
Good PR can save a bad actor's career.
Sorry.
Good PR can save a bad actor's
It's a brilliant question.
Is there a middle ground between sustained and there has to be a middle ground between the two. दोनों के बीच में कुछ है. I refuse to comment.
You can
I
take the fifth.
refused. I'm taking the fifth. There
okay.
is no Fifth Amendment in India.
यहाँ पे नहीं है वैसे तो. ये जो जितने shows आपने देखे हैं उसी से. Okay, friendships in the film industry are mostly for the camera.
I don't believe that.
Dismissed.
An actor's personal life overshadows their professional achievements.
Personal life overshadows the professional achievements. I would dismiss.
No, dismissed. Okay, directors secretly have favorites in the cast even if they deny it.
Sustained.
Yes!
Sustained.
Yeah.
कौन था favorite इनका?
मैं.
Oh, I love it. Okay,
Obvious
Bollywood.
questions.
I mean, you know that I'm humble.
Of course.
Only assertive.
Bollywood is still a boys' club.
Not anymore.
I would dismiss.
Boys ही बोल रहे हैं.
Dismiss.
Dismissed.
Okay,
Dismissed. Not anymore,
dismissed. Okay. Every actor has done a film they secretly regret.
Sustained.
I would sustain it.
Sustained.
Sustained. Secretly, I don't know, but regret for sure.
Sometimes film promotions feel more exhausting than the actual shoot.
I would take the sometimes out of it. That's all.
Always.
Always.
Guys, it's been amazing. But before we end, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पे establish कर चुके हैं कि 2.5 Bengalis हैं.
Yes.
Durga Puja is round the corner.
Yes.
I want to know one ritual that you guys follow. The one thing you look forward to during Durga Puja.
That I look forward to the whole Durga Puja. I just look forward to those 3 days that are going to come, and everything. It's about your family. It's about the puja. It's about the bhog. It's about all the people that you're going to see over there. My relatives from everywhere and every nook and cranny are going to land up over there.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's about all of that. It's those 3 days are just like you have to be there.
Amazing. CR Park.
I love that khichdi which we get.
Bhog khichdi
I
is just...
wait
Ashtami.
for the whole year. Ashtami khichdi, I love that.
For me, I live where I grew up, and I was born and grew up. Banglate boli oi pujota amar ma's secretary chilen, and my mom is not there anymore. She passed away in 2008. I still go back, and otar pashe ekta there's a guest house. I booked that guest house today also, and I